Let me be completely honest with you. Most people aren't broke because they are lazy. They are broke because of a few silent money mistakes that drain them without noticing. And today, I'm going to expose them. Let's get into it. Money mistake number 1. Thinking you need more money instead of better habits. Most people say, if I just had more money, if I just made more money, everything will be fine. Well, if you can't manage $500, you won't manage $5,000. The problem is rarely the income, it's the discipline. Changing your habits will always beat increasing your salary. Money mistake number 2, lifestyle creep. Buying things too early. You get a raise, you go buy nicer clothes. You get a bonus, you upgrade your phone. You're stressed, you buy something to feel better. This cycle keeps people broke forever. Your lifestyle should grow after your wealth grows, not before. Money mistake number 3, no saving system. People wait until the end of the month to save money, but by the end of the month, there's no money left to save. For wealthy people, do the opposite. Pay yourself first, even if it's just $20. A small amount, consistency builds wealth, not one big moment. Money mistake number 4, not having a skill that pays. Most people rely on one income, one job, one paycheck, one source of income. That is very risky. Developing even one high income skill, sales, editing, digital marketing, copywriting, can completely change your future. You don't need a degree. You need a skill in the right marketplace that values your skill. Money mistake number 5, taking financial advice from broke people. This sounds harsh, but it's the truth. If you take financial advice from someone who struggles with money, you'll end up exactly like how they are. Surround yourself with people who think bigger. Watch content that teaches you something. Protect your financial mindset the way you will protect your phone from scratches. If you avoid these mistakes, your financial life will change faster than you think. And in my next video, I'm going to break down how to turn $0 into your first $10,000 step by step. When that video is ready, I'll have the link for it somewhere over here. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. We're growing together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.